Hello everybody, I'm back, but this time I am not traveling. I'm actually in my own bedroom. Yeah, so this is an unusual video for me, but I'm excited to do this. So let me give you the scoop. Sweetnight, you can see the mattress right there, asked us to review its king size gel memory foam mattress. And I am really excited to do the unboxing, but here's the scoop. There's nobody around to help me. So I dragged the box and the mattress into my bedroom myself. I took it out of the box. It was simple. I just turned it upside down and pulled the box off. And now I'm going to see if I can actually unbox the mattress, of course, without two black cats in the way. So as soon as I get these guys out, wow, they look comfy. As soon as I get them out of my room, I'm going to turn the camera around and see if I can do it. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing it says is to not use any other tool but the Sweetnight mattress opening tool for the mattress. Okay, and it's over here. Just looks like a letter opener. So I'm going to use that once I get this mattress up on the bed. But first I need to see if I can get it up on the bed. So I think I'm going to like roll it up there. Maybe. Let's do this. Let me. Yeah. Okay, that's not bad. So I thought ahead of time, and I was like, when it opens, I want it to open up properly. So I'm gonna roll this all the way back so that when it does unroll, it'll kind of already be in place. Does that make sense? It's gonna open this way. So now I'm gonna get the tool. And we're just gonna, this is gonna be fun actually. Okay, I'm trying not to get, there's another plastic layer and I'm trying not to get that. So I can see it already. Okay. I want to get this heavy plastic out of the way first. Oh, it's actually folded in half and in half. That makes sense though. I'm going to slide it across the bed. Honestly, this is pretty easy. I'm going to get this plastic off the bed before it officially unrolls. Okay. So I like that it's in half because I can actually kind of position it easier. Yeah. I'm going to slide this up. I'm going to pop this over. That's not bad. Didn't take into account if there was a bottom. Probably should have looked. I did not look, but it doesn't look like it. Okay, that was easy. All right, so let's unzip this plastic. This is gonna be the fun part. Not that the other part, it hasn't been bad. Honestly, if you just use leverage, and it was no problem at all. I'm just gonna zip this. Because it is vacuum sealed. Oh, it's really tall. I don't hate that. All right, more. So be careful. Clearly, you don't want to slice through the mattress. So I'm pulling the plastic away. Really tall. I'm not mad. Oh good, I did get it the right way. Because if you can see, there's the Sweetnight tag right there and it's not facing upside down. So I think I did it right. Wow, this is really tall. Ha! I may have to lower the bed frame. Yeah, I would need a step stool. And of course it comes with silica gel. you know, and that's just to keep moisture away. Okay, so I know in the past when people order mattresses from online and they're delivered and they're vacuum sealed, there's always an issue, or not even an issue, it's not an issue, it's like is there a scent? I can smell something. It doesn't smell bad, it smells like like fruit, maybe? It doesn't, it's not a bad smell, it's not, almost on the sweet side, but it's definitely not offensive. So now we just have to wait a few hours for the mattress to fully inflate. Oh my gosh, I can only imagine how tall this is gonna be. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to lower the bed. But guys, oh, and we have a kitty, first on the bed, off. Guys, that was it. That was not hard at all, honestly. If you can use leverage and just roll it around, make sure it's in the proper place on the bed. Here she goes again. Come on, Trey. Jump down, honey. Make sure it's in the proper place on the bed and just kind of, you know, maneuver it a little by little. That's not hard at all. Honestly, I'm very pleased. I could do that again. Not sweating or nothing. So for the full review, we're going to let this fully inflate, and then we're going to sleep on it for a couple of weeks to test drive it, to see really how comfy it is. And I will be writing an article about this mattress, like its benefits, cost, all of that. And when I do, I will put the link to the article down below to give you our full review. And until then, guys, that was easy peasy. I'll see you soon. Bye.